I must say it's much more difficult to say what we should do to fix what's wrong with government than it is to say what is wrong with government. It's very tempting simply to produce an endless list of possible solutions to government problems, culled from lots and lots of different think tank reports. There's no shortage of academic solutions out there. It's also very easy to sort of have pie in the sky solutions, which don't have any possible chance of being implemented by any real government. So what we did in order to counteract these two problems was to conduct a sort of slightly strange thought experiment. We decided to take the two greatest liberal leaders of the 19th century, i.e. William Gladstone, Prime Minister of Britain, and Abraham Lincoln in the United States, both of them who operated at a time when government was being dramatically changed in the mid-19th century. Take these two extraordinary figures, fuse them together in the sort of Frankenstein monster-style experiment, and then give them a set of rules, which is basically the rules are that they must improve government, but they must improve government using only examples, models that have actually been proved to work around the world. So we're taking, as it were, our ideal liberal, and we're saying, just take what works around the world and apply it to the United States. The reason we choose the United States is that I think its record has been particularly dismal during this, this coronavirus crisis, and that the United States is at the heart of the West. Unless the United States can be revived, then the West as a practice and an ideal is ultimately, you know, not going to survive. We came to a number of conclusions of what should be done to Washington to improve it with our ideal reformer, but I'll just stick to a few of them. One is that we said he must bring Washington up to date. He must bring government up to date. If you look at what Gladstone did in the middle of the 19th century in Britain, he took a government that was designed for the age of the stagecoach and brought it up to date for the age of the railway train. We need to do exactly the same, bring a government up for the age of modern technology. You have in America, 40% of computer systems in the Department of Health and Social Security are legacy systems, meaning that they're not supported by current by new software. You have to cannibalize old software in order to repair them. 5 times as many people over 50 as under 30 working in government IT departments. That just is a nonsense. So you have to really get to work bringing the engine of government up to date with the 21st century, bringing it into the 21st century.